Jay and Shanteria last year did a deal, which was our first $1 million, like 7-figure partnership inside of the mastermind with 2 companies in the mastermind, right? But I was telling Ronnie the other day, like what's great about it is that none of those partnerships happen overnight. And I think a lot of times we expecting like, hey, I'm gonna meet somebody and then next week we're gonna be making all this money together. But realistically, it's like, hey, most of the time I meet somebody, I need to know who you are, not just what you do, but like literally like who you are as a person before I'm gonna put my name beside your name or behind your name or in front of your name or whatever it is, right? And I was just joking with Freddie in the other room, and Jay always talk about like he chased Freddie for 2 years to do their partnership. Then as soon as they did it, boom, it hit. But I was like, if at any time, this is how easy it is to miss an opportunity. I was right. If at any time those two are not in this room together, that probably don't happen or don't happen for a long time. Because it's the quarterly talk where they see each other and they connect, and not just him asking Freddie, but Freddie actually seeing what Jay is doing. Because that got to be a part of it before Freddie take him to his people. It's like him seeing it, and then us going on a trip and come back and saying it's like this, and then him seeing him work with Shanteria, and it's like all of these little steps that's like brick by brick building up the wall of partnership, right? So that piece about like, hey, just like being in the room, staying in the room, creating the relationships, being consistent with the relationships, like all of that build up to what you're trying to build and what you're trying to get to. Now, what I want to share is that we've got more great episodes. And what if I told you the episodes coming up are even better? We've been in the lab, we've been in the studio, and we've been interviewing some of the best and brightest in the Black community that are ready to not only come and share their stories, but come and share specific strategies that you can use to hit the next level as it relates to your business, as it relates to your bank account, sometimes even as it relates to your boo, right? We might even have a couple more relationship conversations here. But it all starts with you making sure that you lock in and you join us every single week. We release new episodes. Also, if you are not already, I want you to make sure you're watching the full videos of the episodes on The Convo, our new network catered towards Black business and Black wealth. You can find us at www.theconvo.tv online. You can also get a free registration and get access to the app on your Apple and Android devices, on Roku, or even on the Amazon Fire Stick. We're everywhere that we need to be in order to give you easy access to the information that we have. It's a new day, but guess what? We need you to make sure you're tuning in, and we also need you to help us spread the word.